Hello, so this time we will be having our problem number 1 with our topic simple curve. So I hope you can still remember the different elements of a simple curve as well as for the different formulas involving simple curves. So for our problem number 1, a simple curve of a railroad has a degree of 6 degrees and a length of 123 meters. What is the central angle of the curvature using chord bases? So, if we are going to consider this 6 degrees is what we call our degree of curve. So, that is now our degree of curve. So, using chord bases, so that is our degree of curve, and we will be using chord bases. So, that is now our DC, which is 6 degrees. And what we are going to solve here is the central angle of the curvature. Okay, so what is our I? And we also have this length of curve, which is 123 meters. So let's solve this using chord bases. For our solution, using chord bases, if you can still remember, that is R equivalent to 10 over sine degree of curve using chord bases over 2. So, meron na tayong DC. Masosolve natin si R. So, let's solve for the value of radius. So, the value of radius will become 10 divided by sine, what is our DC, which is 6 degrees over 2. So the value now of our radius will now be equivalent to 191.0732 meters. So if we have now the radius, how can we solve for the value of our central angle? So, gamitin na lang ulit natin yung ratio and proportion. If we have this I, which has a length of 123 meters, okay, and alam na natin yung ating radius, which is equivalent to 191.0732 meters. I-ratio na natin to ngayon sa kabuuan ng ating circle. Okay? So, first, yung I natin, yung angle na na-cover ng central angle is hanggang 123 meters. So, that is 123 meters. Equivalent to, i-ratio natin siya ngayon sa kabuuan ng circle. In one full revolution, that is equivalent to 360 degrees. And kung 360 degrees yung na-cover natin, gaano kalayo naman yung na-cover ng length within the circle? So that is just the circumference of a circle over 2 pi r. So let's cross multiply and let's substitute for the value of our radius. So this time, I is equivalent now to 360 degrees multiplied by 123 divided by 2 pi. Then let's substitute the value of our radius, 191.0732. Therefore, the central angle has a value of 36.8831 degrees. And this is now our answer for our problem number 1.